Parrot was just yanking on this cabinet door and we noticed a crack opening right here. So my first thought is I should just put a big screw in like that to hold that together. But then I thought a dowel would be even better. I think this will work with the door supported here and against the drill press table. I think that's deep enough. Now some glue in there. And the bottom end had the same problem. Need a sharper chisel. And here it is installed. The side with the dowels you can not really see. And the way to avoid this problem in the first place is to have the horizontal part actually have a tenon that goes into the vertical part, the way my dad always used to make doors, but nobody does that because it's more work.